Japanese seasoning make your meat, fish, tofu taste like a luxury meal. And also, it's great for your gut. But if you use it wrong, you will waste 100% of this seasoning. It's called Shiokoji. It has only 3 simple ingredients: koji, water, and salt. It's common fermented seasoning, especially among health-conscious Japanese people. It makes your meat, fish, tofu tender and brings out deep, gentle umami flavor. So today, I will show you how to make it for an easy dinner or lunch. First, I will show you foil steamed fish. It's so delicious and easy to make. I also share my 95-year-old grandma's secret to make it even healthier. Usually, you need to use 10% of shiokoji against the weight of the foods. But I have a 95 job and I want to use less salt. So I use my 95-year-old grandma's wisdom to use less shiokoji without sacrificing flavor. The secret weapon is grated onion. Mixing shiokoji with grated onion gives a deeper umami flavor. My 95-year-old grandma taught me this. She started using shiokoji a few years ago, and now we both love it. Now, marinate the fish with the shiokoji and grated onion mixture for about 30 minutes. While we wait, let's prep the vegetables. I love using leftover vegetables from my fridge. Some of them might look a little old or over-matured, but that is the beauty of foil steaming. It's the perfect way to enjoy leftover vegetables. In fact, I think these older vegetables sometimes add an even deeper umami to the dish. We wrap the fish with vegetables in foil and steam it. It's so easy and it makes very few dirty dishes. I often make it during the week. My grandma always tells me, when you use a good ingredient, you feel satisfied with only a few things. And when you taste this dish, I'm sure you will understand exactly what she means. The natural umami from the vegetables, the fresh fish, and the shiokoji mixture all come together perfectly. You don't need anything else. This dish is so savory. Now, you might need something fresh to balance your plate. That is why we need the next dish. And that is this Japanese coleslaw. My grandma uses stir-spill to make food taste amazing with less salt. So instead of heavy salt, we use a little shiokoji and stir-spill. Now chop cabbage and carrot very thin. I use cute cookie moss for the carrot. My grandma says we eat with our eye first, then our nose, then our mouth. Now here's a secret. From experience, steamed cabbage and carrot absorbs the shiokoji much better than raw vegetables. So let's steam them for about 10 minutes until they become soft. Once they're soft, we add soybeans to add extra protein and even more umami. For my 104-year-old grandpa, soybeans are something he cannot live without. My 95-year-old grandma says the right plate makes the food look more delicious. Would you agree? Now you have perfect healthy meal that is great for your gut. If you don't have shiokoji yet, don't worry. Click this video right here and you will learn how to make it easily at home.